Hey everyone, it's me Tins and I'm back with another video. I am going to be laying down my May, let me zoom out. Well, I'll just go over I'll let y'all know what I'm doing first and then I'll zoom out. So I'm going to be laying down my May monthly and then my budget, my May monthly budget. So I'm going to be using the May monthly budget kit from my shop, and I'm also going to be using a monthly budget kit add-on, which is used for the for the month on 2-page spread in the Erin Condren Deluxe monthly planner. So if you did not catch my latest video, I'll just do a little preview. I always try to do a little preview of my whatever my latest spread is. This is the May spread in my B6 rings, and the only change that I made after I filmed the video was that I added this strip of gold foil days of the week at the top, and I just love it. It came out beautifully. So I'll be popping back on to share the June version, and where you'll see the updated version of the B6 rings monthly kit. So I just want to hop on and show y'all that real quick. But yeah, and I did it in gold foil. And like I said, this is just a May kit, so I don't think I'll be releasing it since we're already into May. But yes, I just want to go over that really quick. So I'm gonna move this aside and reference it for this plan with me. And so I usually start with the budget page, but I'm actually just gonna start with the monthly page and then just kind of go in order from there. So we are in May of 2019, and this kit, I'm actually using, this one was a test print that I printed for on Premium Matte, which is such a nice paper. I'm typically a glossy girl, but I do really enjoy Premium Matte. So I'm just gonna lay down this top part right here. And I know I mentioned in a previous video that I was thinking about making some changes to the monthly budget kit. Well, the thing is that the new planners actually come out. I don't know when the new monthly Deluxe planners come out, but the new regular Erin Condren comes out on the 8th. So, and I don't know if I'm going to be getting a life planner. Sorry, that's my phone. I mean, that's my watch. But because I'm so in love with B6 rings, and I don't know, I need to get it for like sizing purposes. So I will have to get one eventually. It may not be super soon. So, but I do need to get one for sizing purposes because she does have some layout changes from what I've seen, the colorful and the neutral. So I will need to get it anyway for referencing, for not for covers, but for kits and things like that. So, that's kind of inevitable. Alrighty, so now I'm going to jump into the bill dues. I already have my bills laid out over here because, like I said, I already planned the monthly in my deluxe planner. So yeah, so I'm just gonna use these. And the good thing about the add-on for this is that you get so many more bill due stickers. So if you're a person that has Premium Matte, can be tricky to pull up sometime. If you're a person that has like a lot of bills, like I have about 10 bills that are due during the month. So I don't know if that's a lot or a little in comparison to most people, but it comes with, you get 8, I believe. Let me see. You get 8 on this page, and I'm actually going to peel this up because I think I may have tweaked the sizing on these after I printed this. So I'm gonna peel that up and stick that on my tripod and grab these really quick. And so the first bill due, I'm just having I'm trying to film this again, rushing to film this while my son is asleep. Because if he wakes up, he is going to be all over the place. So yeah, I need to make these. I don't know why these are shorter. I think I must have left these the same size as the weekly, so that's why. But your version, the version I send out, the boxes will be as the width of the monthly box. Alrighty, so if I can get my life together today. So that's just gonna be storage and my son's tuition. So, and then next up we have Macy's due on the 5th, and we have a USAA Amex. So clearly I will not be marking. I have a sticker for Cinco de Mayo. I actually have this little gold foil sampler. Not sampler, this actually comes with the B6 rings kit, and I just figured I would bring it in to use some leftover ones. So anyway, so we have Macy's and USAA Amex due on the 5th. My watch is just going crazy. All right, so yeah, again, I don't have room to mark Cinco de Mayo. That's okay, Teacher Appreciation Day. I had a sticker for that, but I used it in my B6 ring, so that is fine. So now on the, and then, oh, for the payday flags, and I did not bring tweezers in, so I have to peel these up by hand. What in the world? Oh, thank you. Someone purchased something in my shop. Thank you. So I'm just gonna put these down. Alrighty, so the payday flags are down. Next up, and I'll zoom out a little bit more. Next up, on the 21st, we have another bill due. So we will jump into putting down that bill due. And that's going to be Chase. And that's due on the 21st. And I like to just go from the bottom because that way I can just line it up with the line on the bottom. Alrighty, and then I'm just gonna stay on this page. Let me zoom out a little bit. So I have bills due on the 27th, 29th. I have USAA, Visa on the 27th, Amex on the 28th, and then car insurance on the 29th. So it's gonna put down bill dues for those. And so on the 27th, again, we have Amex due. So I'm going to use this dark green one because and that is actually Memorial Day. So I had the Memorial Day sticker left over from my previous spread, and I think I'll just go ahead and pop it in to this spread. And again, this is 8 bill dues, so it's a good thing that the add-on page gives you so many more. Alrighty, so in this Memorial Day sticker, it got a little messed up, so I'm gonna have to be super, super careful peeling it up. Okay, so that is Memorial Day, and that's gonna be on the 27th. I'm just gonna lay it right down in the planner. I would use a half box, but I like to keep this spread really clean. I do a little bit of sticker surgery here because it's kiss cut, and so sometimes when it's kiss cut in these little dainty fonts. Okay, so that's our little Memorial Day sticker. So we have this side of the planner completely done, and then we'll flip over to this side. And so on the second, nope. So the only thing we have on this side is really Verizon is due on the 23rd, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I think in all, and I feel like I have, so what I'll do is I will, yeah, because even on my other page, I have my brother's birthday, Secret Tomorrow, I don't even remember what day is Star Wars Day. I totally do not remember, but just on this page I have Cinco de Mayo, no school goals, and then Star Wars Day, which I do not remember which day that is. So, oh, the 4th. It's like may the 4th be with you. So I'll just put that down because I don't really have a space for it anywhere else. I don't know, I'm not in a big Star Wars buff like that, so that's funny that I remember that. I just know it always sounds funny when people say, may the 4th be with you. And it's like, okay. Oops, make sure it's centered. Again, this is like a really whimsical font, so. Alrighty, so that's my little Star Wars Day. Sorry, if I put on autofocus, it's going to drive me crazy with the sound. I'm gonna look into upgrading my lens soon to another kind of lens so that I feel like my focus will be better because I feel like I'm just such a stickler for things being really nice and focused in, and it annoys me when I see that it's not. So I will go ahead and fill in. I'll probably speed this part up. I'll go ahead and fill in what the bills. Now, really, I feel like I should have written this down on the stickers before I put them in the planner, because that would have been like smart. But anyway, I'll just speed through this part of writing all the down. Alrighty, so that is pretty much it for the month of May. That's all the bills I have for right now. So, and then if you didn't see, I had to, I was missing the sticker for my other USA Visa. But yeah, so that is the May monthly setup so far, or spread so far. Because I keep this page really, really clean. So, yeah, and unfortunately I've not filled in April yet. So, and again, you can see back in April, I keep this super, super clean. And the only thing I may do, and this is for April. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually film a separate video for the setup, but this is just the monthly spread. So, because I feel like this will get really long. I don't know, unless, yeah. So anyway, here's the spread for May. So far, just keeping it really clean, really straightforward. If I decide to expand this particular kit, then I will like put in random full boxes here and there, but that's not a huge priority. But yeah, so I hope you all like that. I know it was pretty quick, but that's just kind of me laying down how I do my monthly spread as far as like in my budget planner. And in my B6 rings is where I put more of the other events that are going on in the month. So that's kind of the difference between the two. But yeah, so I hope that you will definitely pop back on to see the budget part of it. But I'll show you all what I have left of just that kit, with the exception of just the bill dues that I pull from the budget page. So this is what I have left. So clearly I have some bill dues left. So I'm going to be using the rest of the add-on kit with the budget plan. So I'll be back with that. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. I know this one was short, but I hope you enjoyed just kind of hearing my thought process and hearing how I actually use the monthly spread. Thank you all so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. I hope that everything was good and focused in for you. You can follow me on social at Bliss and Faith, where I'll post more of the detail written in for all my spreads, real-time updates, things like that. Other than that, y'all, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. You can find this kit and the June and even the March and April kits in my shop at blissandfaith.com. And my daughter, it wants to be featured in the video. So yeah, everything will be linked down below. Thank you all so much again for watching, and I'll be back with the actual budget.